not. Hey, Ethan.
Hey, how are you?
Good. How are you doing?
Doing good.
Good. Oh, sweet. Thanks for getting that document.
No problem.
Hey guys.
Hey.
I probably won't talk much because I have a sore throat, so.
That's okay. This shouldn't take long. Let's see. I'm opening the document. You guys, it's Thanksgiving.
Good.
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 How's yours?
It was pretty good. I just went down to my family's house, so nothing too much. Did you guys do any of that Black Friday shopping?
No.
No.
No way. Don't fight the crowds on that.
No.
All right. I don't know if we should go ahead and start or if we should wait a little bit.
Did Rico say he was getting on?
Yeah, he said that he was ready, and so I sent him the link to both of his emails, so he should have gotten it. But if he's at the hotel, I wonder if it's a little bit iffy with the Wi-Fi.
Yeah, okay.
Anyone know how to zoom time back on Google Earth?
See, I'm terrible with Google Earth. I don't know how to do a lot of it, but I can try. Do you want me to go on to it?
I'm already on it. I'm just looking where the buttons are to do that.
Hey guys.
Oh, hey Rico.
Hey. Thanks for being so flexible with your schedule. Oh my goodness. You are like so busy, I tell you.
It's this week with the go live that we have going. It's tough, but you guys are the ones that have been waiting on me, so I appreciate that.
Oh, it's not a problem at all. Is it going pretty good for you, your project?
It is, yeah. We're happy that this one is over. It's been 2 years working on this one.
Oh my goodness, that's crazy. Well, congratulations. That's nice. It's like a good celebration to be done with it.
Exactly. Yes, it is. Thank you.
Okay, so it looks like Ethan sent us the document. Do you guys have that? Do you guys see it?
Yeah, I see it.
Yep.
It's still loading. Okay, so Ethan, are you looking at how you measure how much retreat has occurred?
No, I'm looking to see. So there's two screenshots. There's a way in Google Earth to change what date you're seeing a picture of, and so I'm looking at that.
I was looking into that as well when you guys.
Hey, what's up?
Okay.
Oh yeah, you're good. Well, I need it. Oh, there's some over here too. Oh, oh, never mind. Usually they have a ton of them right here. Never mind. He must be out here. Do you need lined? Here, just use. Oh, look, enough.
Supposedly, if there's
This has writing in it. Is that okay? Yeah.
if you press the image date, there should be a clock showing up, but it seems to be the case.
There you go.
So couldn't hear you.
No, I was saying that I was looking at this here. The way you can change the date is if by clicking on the imagery date uh, link, but it only works if there's historical data. There doesn't seem to be the case here.
So are we just showing screenshots he gave us?
Yeah, well, you know the link on the bottom where it says imagery date? In the bottom of the screen for Google Earth? You should be able to click there, and if there's historical data, so data from images from other dates, it should show a link and a little clock so you could navigate to whatever date you want that's available, but it doesn't seem to be the case here in this location. At least in my version of Google Earth, I'm not able to
I'm
check
not
the
either. I'm looking at it.
other way.
Okay, I found out how to do it.
You did?
Yeah. Do it. I don't even see an option for it.
So you have to go up to the upper left-hand corner of Google Earth and hit the view button, and there's a checkbox that's probably unchecked.
Oh. Oh, nice. Okay.
Which button, sorry?
So in the upper left-hand corner of your window, Google Earth, are you using the browser-based one?
No, the fat line.
Oh.
Oh, you're in the browser? Okay.
Oh, you keep breaking that.
Did you find it?
Well, and you keep breaking up on me.
Breaking up a lot, Ethan.
What was that?
You're breaking up a lot, at least here on
Yeah,
my
at
side.
least for me too. I couldn't understand any of that.
Okay. Can you hear me now?
Yep.
Yeah, I can hear you good now.
Okay. My internet might be hiccuping or something. So in the upper left-hand corner of the screen, there's a view button in Google Earth, and then a checkbox in that menu to enable historical imagery.
And is that in the browser version of Google Earth?
On the desktop downloadable version, the exe or the...
Oh, so I have to download the Google Earth to do this?
Yeah, and you also... So if you look at the document I gave us, or made, where it says here's a placeholder, and it's a link, you can click on that and download it, and it takes you right to the location.
Oh, yeah. Okay, I see that.
But yeah, use the desktop version.
Let's see. And then it asks like how you want to open this file. I don't really. What app did you use
Google
to
Earth.
download it?
To download it, it should just... You have to have Google Earth first before you click that, and then it will automatically open with Google Earth.
Ah, dang it. Okay.
I'm trying to check there. It might not even benefit us to have this, because I'm looking at the historical data. Okay, maybe there's some benefit, but like it's not changing very much.
Well, the historical data that I see here, unfortunately,
What?
it shows me from the historical data that seems to be available here. It's from 2010 to 2014, right?
Mine shows.
Pictures, it says 2003 to 2005.
Yeah.
I have 1984 to 2017.
Well, I don't know why I'm getting this only to 2010. It's so weird.
Huh. I don't know.
Or at least my slider lets me go back that far.
Okay.
That's what I'm saying. I don't actually know if it's giving me any different data, or if it just lets me slide back that far.
Well, why don't you share your screen and we'll go with your,
Yeah, let's do that. I don't want to download it.
and we'll just discuss it. When you do the measurement.
Use my desktop. I'm on my phone, so I could like point it at the screen.
That's okay.
But so that work?
Yeah, that works. I can see it.
Yeah. So like this is what I have up here, this slider.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, my slider looks a little bit different in terms of the data.
What dates did you put in?
I put in, okay, so I have right here it's 2009, so 2016. Basically. But then the problem is when I take this and I zoom it all the way back, it doesn't look like it changes or anything.
It looks like what? What'd you say?
Am I still breaking up?
A little bit, yeah.
So when here's the slider up here, so that's 1984.
Uh-huh.
I zoom it all the way back there and all the way up here. I don't see what's changing.
Yeah, there's nothing. Is there like
Yeah, I was able to.
Maybe I have to zoom in further.
So where like you're at, because I have the desktop version too, and at the very, let's see, right hand side, you see that in 1984 it looks very all the way there, like all the way to the end of where it like opens up and there's like all that blue. To the 2016, it's more blue right there. That's where the change is at.
Yeah, I was
so
able
it's
to
more
go
towards the top? It's the top of it?
On the very right hand side. So if you force back out a little bit so you can see more of the glacier. I don't know if you can zoom out of Google Earth a little bit.
Like, oh.
So on the very right hand side, so move your cursor down the glacier a little bit to the right. Area right there where it kind of starts to open up, your bluer area, all of that will be where it looks.
Okay, so now let's move.
Yeah,
So then if we move that slide bar at the top, then we would notice the difference in color?
Yeah, it's really white right now in 1984. So if you go back to 1984, it's very white, and move it all the way to the 2016, and it's blue. See how
it's
that?
because,
Oh,
it's because of the
yeah.
quality of the movie.
That's where the retreating is. That's what they want us to see.
Yeah. So we
Do we
want to
need
do 2001, 2003, and 2005, right?
Yeah.
So maybe it changes a lot between those two.
So should we take screenshots of the 2003 version and then the 2005?
And 2001 as well.
Yeah.
Oh, and 2001? Oh, sorry. Okay. Let's do all of them.
Okay.
Difference between those
Yep.
few dates. From what I just see. I can those I can do that.
Oh, are you sharing your screen, or is that me?
That's me. I was able to get this to work.
Okay, I'm gonna put my phone down there.
Yeah. It was just the location that was kind of different. So, Larissa, are you taking screenshots or do you want me to?
Yeah, I can do it.
Sorry?
Nice. Okay. And so now we just kind of, I guess, have to explain the reasons as to why this is happening, right? Why there's so much retreat in that short amount of time.
Well, and then we have to estimate how far it's moved, I think.
And we got to measure it. Yeah.
Oh, how far it's moving?
Yeah, but we can use the ruler tool for that on.
Yeah, let's do that.
It's just gonna take me a second to screenshot all these, but I promise that I will be doing it here shortly.
You're good. You're good. Thank you.
You guys want to also put a screenshot of how it looks today, just to show the bigger contrast, because it's a huge contrast.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Yeah.
Um, do you want me to start listing like some bulleting some reasons as to why this is happening, or do we want to wait for the estimate?
No, we can discuss that as we go.
Because I was like reading in the chapter a little bit, and it was saying how some of the retreating is because of like the different changes in routes with like the rivers. So like when there's modifications in those, like in the streams and in the rivers, then it's easier for the water, the glaciers to retreat. Do you guys want me to put that in there?
That'd be great.
Okay.
And more frequent cause of a lot of the glaciers moving is always, temperature and warming and whatnot. Is that something that is likely assessed here, or is that not the case?
Let's see.
what about climate change affecting the glacial budget of this
Oh,
specific
definitely.
glacier?
I think I was cutting up because that's what I was asking about.
Oh, I'm sorry. You're cutting up. I didn't hear you. What you're saying.
That's totally fine. I talked about it for like 2 minutes,
Yeah.
and I think my audio was gone. So I was like, huh, I wonder if I checked out or something.
Yeah.
Oh,
So then,
what is going on?
so that would be that the ablation exceeds the accumulation of ice, right?
So which is two top pictures? Is the glacier moving down and to the right?
Right. Yes. Because that's the area that is becoming bluer with more water. So I think the flow is from the left to the right.
Oh, you guys, like just open up the. Just let me open it up like really well. I think this is here, Rico.
You're breaking up, Ethan. I couldn't get what you're saying. Sorry.
Oh,
You want to write it?
so I opened up the document the way that you did it, and it's let me see it.
Okay.
But it only lets me go back to 2010, which is what was happening before.
It's the location, I guess. It needs to be on a location where it has the imagery. It needs to focus. It doesn't seem to have that history. So I had to kind of widen the zoom out a little bit to be able to get to that.
So should I put on there like the climate change? So like it's probably a little bit warmer where it's at, and so that means it would cause the ice to melt a little bit more.
Yeah. So I think you need to talk about the glacial budget. So because it gets warmer and there's less precipitation, so less accumulation of ice as well, there's more ablation. So there's more melting and not enough
Okay.
accumulation to for the ice to continue to grow, the glacier to continue to grow. What about another one would be the the flow of the ice, right? So the ice only flows if there's if I understand it correctly, if there's a plastic flow to it, right? And that only happens if there's a pressure on top of the ice of 165 feet. If the ice is not accumulating and it's melting, there's not enough pressure on the ice for it to flow as it usually does. So I'm thinking that when that happens, the melting just causes the the glaciers to retreat faster.
So throw that in. Oh, it looks like
Sorry, my internet connection expired at the hotel. I have to renew it.
Your internet expires?
It's at a hotel. You register for 24 hours, right?
Oh,
And I registered
gotcha.
yesterday. It just expired, so I had to renew it. It's just the joys of almost living at a hotel.
so with these screenshots, I'm having a hard time trying to tell what part of the glacier, the darker blue parts of the glacier.
The darker blue part is the water. The whiter part, yeah. The white part is the ice, the glacier. But in the older pictures from 2001 and 2005 and 3, kind of hard to tell.
Yeah.
Ah. What's another one? What about like would another reason be like drainage systems? Because like there's sometimes like different patterns of how the ice can go down or whatever. So would that be considered one, you think?
It could be, yeah.
I'll just put it. It's just something else, I guess.
So I've got a way that I can measure both of them. And you can see how far it's gone.
I have these three. What do you think? How many should we put on there?
I was thinking that one about the flow.
Oh, the flow? Oh, perfect. Okay.
Thinking about this.
Center these. If I center these.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can. Yeah.
What was that last thing you just said?
I said, is that okay if I just center this, the pictures and the titles of them?
Oh, totally, yeah.
Somehow the 2001 picture went all the way to the bottom, so I'm
Oh. Okay.
slowly. It's probably going to screw up the other order of pictures, but
Are you doing the estimate?
Where's the 2016 picture?
yeah, it's that, see, it moved it. It's that top one. Somehow that 2001 picture, so, it itself or something, so I had to move it down.
Oh, perfect. Okay, awesome.
Just move the because it's not going to fit on the same page. Yeah. Just move that.
So now basically all we need to do is kind of do the estimates, right?
Yeah,
Yep.
I have something to help us measure that here that I'm making real quick.
Are you able to just do that then with the ruler on Google Earth?
It's really work. Good. We could probably try it. I'm almost done. We can see. Okay, so let me upload this real quick. I'm going to put it on the very bottom. Actually, where's our estimate section? So that's how big our scale is of our screenshots. That little gap right there on the bottom left, I took something and measured something that stayed the same between all the screenshots.
Mhm.
Okay.
Up on the top, those units, so each one of those little red squares is 2 miles. So
Yeah.
I'm going to grab 2 images and slice up, slice and up. That's 2005. Move on to 2001. Can you guys hear me?
Barely.
You're just breaking up. Say it one more time.
Do we want 2001 until 2016?
Probably. It doesn't hurt.
Just as a comparison, I think that would be a good idea, just to show
Yeah.
what it looks
Let's
like
do
today.
it.
Let me grab those real quick. Okay, so here's the new 2016. And then I'll add 2001.
So it looks like 2000. Oh wait, those are the same pictures. Okay, I was like, wait, it didn't even change.
Yeah. So I'm grabbing. So these are actually are not pictures like that. This one's actually 69 here. So 16. So there's 3 images all taken with the estimates right there. Is there any way for us to see how far that went?
I'll say 1.28 miles.
Yeah.
Meaning that they didn't even change.
So each one of those little red bars is 1.28 miles. So that's just the way we can measure
Okay.
how far it is.
So each bar is 1.3, you said?
1.28, yeah.
1.28. Okay, I get what you're saying. So we're gonna be measuring all of the like dark spot, all of the glacier.
Yeah, so we're
6, 7, 8. So like the first one would be. Oh, like okay, 1.2. So like the first one would be like 15 feet.
15 miles.
Those red things, so it'd be 12 times 1.28. So it'd be 15.3. Yeah.
It's an approximation, so yeah, I think so.
Okay. So I'm just gonna put that underneath the thing here.
Yeah.
Would it be 15.3 miles?
I think so, yeah. How many bars did you count?
Okay. I counted 12. Wait, hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, I did 12.
For how far?
Where?
1, 2, 3. And like the other one looks more like 10 bars.
Basically what we're looking for is, the only reason I have the bars is because it's a consistent measurement between all the images, because we had different zoomings of each. So I had to make them the same between each image.
Yeah.
And so we're just looking for the difference of how many bars away the first picture is from the last picture is. So is it like 12?
Yeah, so what I'm doing is, yeah, so I get what you're saying. I'm just counting the bars for each one and then finding the difference at the end.
Okay, perfect. No, that worked. I was just making sure it made sense.
Okay, yeah, makes sense to me. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like this one's 7.68.
What you're measuring now, the number 15.3 miles, that's the length the visible length of the glacier in that image, correct?
Yeah.
Not the retreat.
Oh yeah, I'm just doing the glacier. Is that what I was supposed to do?
I think we're supposed to be determining how far the glacier's moved, right? Or how fast it's
Yeah.
moving.
Let's see, what did it
Yeah.
say? Using historical satellite imagery, you can measure the changes in glaciers over time. As a group, using the images provided by NASA below, observe how much retreat has happened.
It started off, the glacier was 15 miles long, but then by the end, it's only like 7 miles long.
Oh, gotcha. So then,
So basically, it cut in half. Like the glacier is half the size.
Mhm.
and over how many years was that? So that's 2016 to 2001. So over 15 years, it moved 7 miles or 7.5
Yeah.
miles.
Yeah.
I'm back. Sorry about
So,
that.
yeah, no problem. We're supposed to measure the retreat. So, if I understand this correctly, we need to look at the position where it was in 2001, then look at the position in 2003 and measure the retreat from there. 2001 is the reference, right? Where we start.
Yeah.
So how many
Yeah.
miles did it reduce? So if I understand this correctly, looking at 2001 and then 2003, it would be something like looking at the bar, 1, 2, 3, 4 bars, 4.5.
Yeah, I get what you mean now. Dang it. Okay, yeah. So it retreated 4 times 1.28. It retreated 5 miles long.
Right. Since 2001. I think we have to put it in kilometers, though.
In kilometers?
Yeah, it says in the work that in kilometers.
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
so what? How many kilometers are in a mile? Anybody know?
It's 1.6, I think, depending on the type of mile.
So that's saying 0.53 kilometers is how far it's moved per year, I think.
Hey Siri, how many kilometers are in a mile? 1.61 kilometers. Yeah, 1.61.
All right. So we'll just times that by the mile. So 5.12. So 8. 8.2. Wow. Sorry, guys. Hold on. There we go. Okay, what is going on? Oh, let's see. I've got. Did you get 7 bars on the last picture that it retreated?
For 2016?
Yeah, I got about 7 bars.
Seven bars.
What do you need to do?
Well, we need to do it for 2003 and 2005, right? You did it for. I'm a little bit confused. Which years did you do?
So we did it for 2001, and I think this second one is for 2003, wasn't it?
The second one is 2003, yes.
Oh, so we're missing 2005.
This one is actually a 2005. The middle one is 2005.
Yeah, that one's the other way.
I copied it over there. So I don't know if you can still hear me because I've been cutting out this whole time.
Are you? What's that?
So a lot of them, all of them say 2005, but I put 2005 as a base, and then I was putting other images over it to make sure they were all the same size, so that we could compare it using the bars for miles. And so that's why they all say 2005, but only the middle one's 2005. The other one's 2001, and the last one's 2016.
Oh, okay.
So the bars won't be to scale on any other pictures because I didn't do any others besides 2001, 2005, and 2016.
The first one's
So,
2000.
but we need 2003 as well, right?
So do we need 2003 or?
We do, because the ones that we really need to do, it's 2001, 3, and 5.
Okay, let me.
2016, we just need to show how it looks today.
I'll take a screenshot of 2003, and then I'll make the same kind of image out of it really fast.
Okay.
That is to scale with the bar.
So Brooklyn, the text
Yeah,
the text that says started at 24.63 kilometers. What's that for?
Sorry, say that one more time.
The text that says started at 24.63 kilometers. What's that for? That belongs
Like
to
the glacier was 24.63 kilometers long, and then after that it just started retreating. One goes to the first
okay.
picture. That one's gonna go to 2001.
Okay.
There we go. Does that make sense? That's where we started at, and then you just see it's declining.
Yep.
Okay, so this comes 2003. There's 2003. The scale.
Okay.
So I don't know, probably moved up like 4 bars.
Looks like 0.75 bars or 4 bars, pretty much.
Yeah. something
Yeah,
like that.
I did 4 bars. Does that sound about right?
You're estimating it.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Oh, since 2001, right?
If this last little bit that I added is correct, does anyone know? Because it's retreated 8.24.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to change that one because we didn't have the 2003 in there before.
Okay.
So it's what's going on? So, and I only got that it moved, it did about 2 bars in 2005. 2 times 1 point. So about 3. Okay. Is there anything else that we need to do?
No, I think that's it.
So, real quick, I'm adding the methodology of how we did it, just so that the teacher understands the bars and all that.
Okay.
Oh, that's super smart. Okay, that's perfect.
So if someone can read over it and just see if it looks good.
I think we kind of just get credit for doing it, but yeah, definitely. That's a good idea.
That's fine.
Thank you. I'm gonna just end the broadcast and then I'll put it on the link for a comment on the document.
Hey, quick question, Brooklyn.
Yeah, what's up?
Are you the one who's in charge of the YouTube channel that has all these videos on it?
Yeah.
I was wondering, have you been deleting those videos after they're graded or not?
No. I just keep them on my YouTube event thing. Why?
Oh, I was just wondering, I just kind of wanted to ask a favor. Near the end of the semester, as much as I want all my, my room and stuff floating around the internet in video.
Oh, I'll definitely delete them. Do you want me to go ahead and delete them right now?
Oh, yeah, as we go or whatever. But I was just wondering if we could delete them at the end of the semester or something so that they're not always floating up there.
Oh, yeah, 100%. Actually, I can just delete the first, 6 or 8 of them right now, and then just leave last week and this week's up on YouTube. And then, yeah, I'll definitely go ahead and delete them. That's
Okay,
a good
perfect.
idea.
Yeah.
All right, sounds good. All right, well, I'll leave the link on the comment so you guys can see it there.
Sounds good. Hey, thanks, everyone.
Awesome. All right, we'll see you guys next week.
See you next week.
Yeah.
All right,
Yeah.
bye.